Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And today we are going to buy a domain from a platform called as Namecheap. There are several platforms available to buy a domain, but the most cheapest one is the Namecheap. All right, you can go with GoDaddy, Hostinger, and so on, but Namecheap is the best one that we are going to create the domain with. So what you have to do, you just need to go on the website named as namecheap.com. okay. All right, so we will just type in the www.namecheap.com, and then we will be on the home page of the website. You can see that you can buy domain hosting, also the WordPress hosting, email marketing related things, marketing tools, security, and transfer to us the domains you can, and you can also contact them and create your account on Namecheap. Okay, this website is very good and gives you the coupons as well, okay, from time to time, and you can avail those coupons and buy domains and hostings from them. So here we are creating our domain for the website named as MHKHN. Okay, and we will first check the domain availability. If it is available, they will show that the domain is available. Okay, and you can just buy it and add to cart. You can see that the mhkhn.com is for $10.28 per year. Okay, like you have to purchase it once and it will go for a year, and you will renew it after a year. There are several other domains as well, like mhkhn.store, .net, and so on, but we will go with the .com because .com is globally you can say acceptable. Okay, and you can create a blog on .com, as well as you can just use it for several other purposes as well. Okay, so the best one is .com. Otherwise you can go with .co, .store, .wiki, .net, okay, as per your choice. But for now we are going with the mhkhn.com, and we will just see that what packages the Namecheap is providing us. Like if they are providing a package that suits us, you will just go and you will add to cart. Okay, one thing you must keep in mind while buying a domain with Namecheap, you need to see that on which price it is going to renew after a year. Like we are going to buy a domain for 10.98, we will renew it on 5.98 next year. Okay, and this is important. So you just need to type in the domain name. Okay, you have to search it. You have just to go and add to cart. If there are coupons available on website, you can go copy them, like I'm copying them, and you just need to copy those coupons in the area that is provided here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to register for 1 year, 2 year, it is all your choice, but I'm registering it for 1 year, and I will just check that the domain is here. The domain privacy is free or forever for here, so we are going to enable it. Okay, and we are buying it on 23% off for the first year. Okay, so you just need to check all the options available down. Okay, and you have to see if you want to buy any web hosting, you can do it, but I don't need it for now, and I will just copy and paste that coupon code over here and continue. Okay, okay, here they have given us a notification that you need to log in or create an account with the Namecheap before buying anything from us. So we just need to create an account, okay, using our details. You can use your company details, you can use your name, any of your choice. Okay, you just need to put all the details over here. You have to put a password, and these passwords must be kept in mind. Okay, so you are just going to add the username, password over here, and you just need to confirm the password and let it go. Okay, what happened here is I just created a username that was already existing on the platform, so I just need to change the username over here. Okay, just change the password as well. Okay, and put in all your details over here, and just press on the continue button. All right, so you just need to create the account over here. Now you just check all the details like I was telling you previously, that you need to buy a domain for a year. It's your choice if you want to add up the years over here and add up the coupon code, and it will give you a discount. Okay, see, we got a discount and now it is $5.98 in total. And here we will just confirm the order now. You can add all your company details over here, and please subscribe me if you haven't already, and it will give me a motivation to make more videos for you. You just have to add your card details and click on pay now, and you have bought your domain. This is how you can buy domain online.